Potatoes baked in the microwave in less than 10 minutes. So I'm using 5 potatoes here. And you just want to cut the potatoes in half. Just cut all of your potatoes with a knife. I also washed the potatoes to make it easier and then just removed the water. Now cut them all into the same shape. And after finishing, cut them slightly in half, just like this. And cut in the middle of the potato. Very simple and very easy to do. And you're going to be surprised at how fast this recipe is. Now just repeat the process with all of your potatoes. And this is the final result after finishing the cuts. So now add the potato pieces into a bowl. Just arrange all the pieces until all the potatoes fit. And the next step is seasoning. So you're going to add salt. You want to add plenty of salt so your recipe doesn't run out of salt. Potatoes can take salt really well. So salt can be added according to your personal taste. Now add black pepper. This ingredient needs a little moderation. But you want to make sure that you spread it well over all of your potato pieces. Now add dehydrated parsley. This ingredient is very special to the recipe. And add a small amount of olive oil to help everything bake. Now just cover with plastic wrap. Or if you have a lid for your container you're using, you can just add the lid on top. And then microwave for 10 minutes. And the microwave can be set to full power. And it will take 10 minutes to cook thoroughly all the way through. And after this time, remove the container. Be careful not to burn yourself. It will be very hot. Shall we see the result? Now the plastic wrap helps to make the potatoes really soft. And you can see already how tasty it is. So your potatoes will be super soft. You can also bake for 5 minutes if you want to brown the potatoes a little bit. And our recipe is ready. Very quick, right? Shall we try it?